Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a temp sensor lab on this 2015 Chevy Malibu with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Right here we have our mass airflow sensor with the IAT in it. We'll be testing that. And then over here we will be testing, I'm going to remove the PCN real quick. We're just going to set that aside. But we will be also testing this coolant temp sensor. Alrighty, so if you check the engine coolant temperature, you can see it's about 91. It's ranged from 91 to 93. Now, if you unplug that sensor, it'll drop straight to negative 40. And that'll be the same with the IAT sensor over there.
Okay, so for our IAT reading, we have a reading of 93 right now, which is a bit warm because it's got a hot wire. And we're gonna see if we can get it to cool down by placing a cold item up to it. All right, what we have here is a IAT sensor without a MAF sensor included in it. And the resistance we're getting now is 3.1 kilo ohms. And I'm gonna try putting it in water now, see what that does to resistance. And resistance is steadily increasing as the temperature cools. Okay, we've got our IAT sensor reinstalled, and we're gonna see if we can lower our temperature when we start the vehicle when cold air hits it. Come over here, see what our temperature reads on the scan tool. Got, I can't really see it, it says 86.
Yeah,
So we're gonna start the vehicle now. And it's dropped down to 78 there, 75, 73. So the temperature is dropping. Okay, so we're going to be monitoring our ECT circuit here with the engine running. We've got our ECT back probe. We've got our scan tool hooked up to read coolant temp. And we've got our multimeter reading voltage. So when the car's running, we will update. Okay, the engine's been running for a few minutes now. Coolant temperature is about 125, so it's not even at operating temp yet, but our voltage is continuing to drop. We'll see if it's single or dual range, if it spikes or not. Coolant temp continuing to rise. We're at about 150 now, and we're below a volt. Okay, our coolant temp is just over 170, and we're still dropping voltage here. We're at about half a volt, a little more than that. Okay, coolant temp is about 185, so pretty close to operating temperature. Both radiator hoses are hot, the thermostat's open, and we're still dropping voltage. So it's safe to assume that this is a single range ECT circuit.
Alrighty, so on this vehicle right here, which is my 1998 Toyota 4Runner with the 3.4 liter 5E ZFE, we are checking the throttle position sensor, and we have our 5 volt reference, our signal, and our ground. Currently, we have the 5 volt reference hooked to the signal wire, and as you can see, it is currently at half a kilo ohm. And as I move the throttle, it slowly goes up. Alright, and along with the last test we did, as you can see, because the connector is not plugged in, it's down there, we will read 0 volts. So with the VC connected right here and to the ground, you see we have 3 kilo ohms, and as you open the throttle, it slowly goes down. And then if you throw it to wide open, oh wait, hold on, there we go. Throw it to wide open at about 0.9. Now you can see when I'm holding the throttle at wide open, I will read 2.6, 2.63, something like that, kilo ohms.